we are preparing archived tissue slides for the CytAssist workflow.
The Visium CytAssist product is compatible with fresh-placed FFPE tissue sections and archived slides. If you are sectioning fresh tissue samples for the CytAssist workflow, proceed to the Exposing the Tissue or Facing the Tissue block video. In this video, we will demonstrate the protocol for archived slides. We will review the Remove Hardset Coverslip and Scrape Tissue Sample steps. This guidance is designed for hardset cover slips, which have been sealed with a reagent such as CytASeal. Archive slides should have been imaged and stored at room temperature or 4 degrees Celsius. Over time, archived slides may experience RNA degradation. Therefore, freshly placed FFPE tissue sections are preferred for the Visium CytAssist assay. Before starting this protocol, use the CytAssist Quick Reference Card to determine if the tissue section is located in an area that will result in successful probe transfer and imaging. Refer to the tissue slide alignment video for more information. These protocols should be performed on slides derived from the same tissue block as the slide that will be used for the full CytAssist assay. If this is not possible, an unimportant area on the same slide that will be used for the full assay can be scraped to assess RNA quality.
First, we will prepare the reagents.
In this video, we will demonstrate the protocol using staining dishes. Alternatively, Copland jars can also be used. Dispense xylene into staining dishes labeled xylene 1 and 2. Dispense 100% ethanol into staining dishes labeled 100% ethanol 1 and 2. Dispense 96% ethanol into staining dishes labeled 96% ethanol 1 and 2. Dispense 70% ethanol into a staining dish labeled 70% ethanol. We also have a metal block, a new razor blade, dry ice, and a 0.2 milliliter 8-tube strip.
We are ready to remove the hardset cover slip.
Xylene incubation steps should be performed in a fume hood due to the hazardous nature of xylene. Cool a metal block on dry ice for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently immerse the archived slide in xylene staining dish 1. Secure the cap to prevent xylene loss. Incubate for 5 minutes. Remove excess xylene from the archived slide and cover slip with a laboratory wipe and place the slide on the pre-cooled metal block with the cover slip tissue sections facing down toward the metal block. Wait 1 minute. Insert a clean blade a short distance between the cover slip and the archived slide on the shorter edge of the archived slide. Slowly wedge the razor blade between the slide and the cover slip until the cover slip releases from the slide. Holding the razor blade toward the cover slip, slowly work the blade to the left to lift the cover slip off the slide. Work slowly in small steps, keeping the archived slide on the cold metal block in between steps. Avoid touching the tissue with the blade. Exercise caution as the blade is sharp.
Next, we will perform deparaffinization using xylene.
Immerse the archive slide without the cover slip 2 times in xylene staining dish 1. Then immerse for 10 minutes. Remove the archive slide from the xylene. Immerse the archive slide 2 times in xylene staining dish 2. Then immerse for 10 minutes.
Next, we will wash the slides in ethanol.
Immerse the archive slide 2 times in 100% ethanol staining dish 1. Then immerse for 3 minutes. Immerse the archive slide 2 times in 100% ethanol staining dish 2. Then immerse for 3 minutes. Immerse the archive slide 2 times in 96% ethanol staining dish 1. Then immerse for 3 minutes. Immerse the archive slide 2 times in 96% ethanol staining dish 2. Then immerse for 3 minutes. Immerse the archived slide 2 times in the 70% ethanol staining dish 1. Then immerse for 3 minutes. Remove excess ethanol from the archived slide carefully with a laboratory wipe. Do not touch the tissue.
Next, we will scrape a small portion of tissue for RNA quality assessment.
Select a small portion of the section that can be scraped for RNA quality assessment. Sections for RNA quality assessment should have a minimum size of 2 mm by 2 mm. and a minimum thickness of 5 microns. Practice scraping sections from test tissues. Using a clean blade, scrape the small portion for RNA quality assessment in one motion, resulting in one curl. Use a clean pipette tip to transfer the curl to 1.2 milliliter tube in a tube strip on ice. Store at -80 degrees Celsius for long-term storage, or proceed immediately to RNA extraction. If processing multiple archived slides, curls can be kept in tube strips on ice until ready for RNA extraction. The remaining section on the archived slide may be used for the Visium CytAssist workflow, or stored in a sealed slide mailer in a desiccator kept in the dark at 4 degrees Celsius for up to 1 week.
We have completed hard cover slip removal from archived tissue slides. Next, we will perform RNA extraction and DV200 measurement.
After performing DV200 measurement, proceed to the Visium CytAssist workflow with samples of sufficient RNA quality.
Please refer to the Visium CytAssist Spatial Gene Expression for FFPE Tissue Preparation Guide for more details.